The industry is definitely at a crossroads. Australia used to be full of textile and weaving mills because it's always grown some of the best wool in the world.
The industry at large has been divested.
Currently, 97% of our manufacturing is taking place offshore. But globally, our fashion and textile industry is recognised for having exceptional design talent and craftsmanship. We're a bit over 150 years old, and now this is it. This is the last one. It's the last one of its kind, but we have an opportunity to change this.
R.M.Williams has been Australian and Australia-made for 93 years, and we really deeply cherish that history and that legacy.
Words that come to mind when I think of Australian-made is the heritage of it all.
I think of integrity and pride.
Australian made to me is 60,000 plus years of culture and storytelling woven into fabric and garments.
Australian made to me is keeping jobs.
There's multiple generations that have worked through. My son works here, and also my daughter is starting in a couple of weeks too.
I get to go to my pop and talk to him about his time here. It is pretty cool that I can work where I grew up and have the career path I've always wanted to have.
The skills you learn here are something I'm proud of, just making clothes, making fabric, winding yarn.
There's no real training except on the job, so you've got to pass on to the young ones what you know.
We need to keep this alive and going so that we've got a future for our kids.
It makes me very proud to contribute to an industry that is mostly led by women. I said led because the women here are amazing. They love what they do. They put their passion into it. And there's such great skill.
When I finish the garments, I feel very happy. It's beautiful.
This is the real Australia.
At R.M.Williams, we repair lots and lots of shoes.
I have boots coming back that are 40, 50 years old.
And I think some of our best products come from recycle, and people love it.
And usually it's going to landfill.
There's huge amounts of waste that goes in from a garment perspective each year. If we can bring the circular economy back, then we can actually change that.
We know that there are many things that we just can't compete on, and that's going to be on price of labour, for example. Where we can find an advantage is where technology comes in.
The system will also project it onto the fabric so that we can make sure that the yield is as efficient as possible.
So medical gauze, antimicrobial, antifungal and moisture wicking to help wound healing, particularly for burns victims, and they send them all around the world.
I think the role that government has is using its power as the largest buyer in the market to actually have impact and positive influences for the industry. It is about the flow-on effects through the entire supply chain that enables multiple jobs to exist and supporting multiple communities, not just in one location, but in regional areas such as where the fabric is processed or where we get the raw materials. $1 invested in a procurement contract has multiple times that impact throughout the entire economy.
So much of First Nations fashion is inspired by the land, so it just makes sense that the garments themselves are also made on the land from which the inspiration and the stories come from.
Thread forward from fibre through to fabric, from fabric through to garments, it's 100% Australian made.
The end result, you see our soldiers wearing it.
It's just amazing. I go, oh, that's one I made.
Not only will we continue to stay at the forefront with what we're producing at the moment, it gives us the ability to broaden our offer and continuing to evolve that technology from clothing through to equipment to all sorts of textile-based products, and you could apply that to anyone in the industry.
We have identified what the gaps are. There's a really clear way forward. Transformation is not going to happen in silos. It needs to be unified.
The fashion and textile manufacturing industry has never had a roadmap like this before. This strategy is the result of an extensive national consultation delivered by the Australian Fashion Council and R.M.Williams.
If we can unite as an industry and help support each other, the potential already exists in Australia, the craftsmanship already exists. If we come together collectively, from customers to industry to government to manufacturers, we can actually turn the tide and make this an amazing sector that we're really proud of, not just in Australia, but globally.